Hola a todos. This is a GCSE Spanish higher level style listening question. Okay, so I'm going to read a passage out. I'm going to read it twice, like what you would hear in the exam, and you need to answer these three questions on it. Okay, so I'm going to read it twice. En los últimos meses hemos visto un gran aumento en el número de personas que usan el transporte público gracias a las inversiones en la red de autobuses. Se espera que en los próximos meses veamos una bajada en los niveles de contaminación en el centro, pero todavía son muy altos debido al número de camiones y coches que pasan por las calles principales. El gobierno local ha dicho que el número de personas en paro ha disminuido de 3.000 a 2.500 gracias a las nuevas ofertas de trabajo que se han implementado en los últimos meses. En los últimos meses hemos visto un gran aumento en el número de personas que usan el transporte público gracias a las inversiones en la red de autobuses. Se espera que en los próximos meses veamos una bajada en los niveles de contaminación en el centro, pero todavía son muy altos debido al número de camiones y coches que pasan por las calles principales. El gobierno local ha dicho que el número de personas en paro ha disminuido de 3.000 a 2.500 gracias a las nuevas ofertas de trabajo que se han implementado en los últimos meses. Okay, you've heard it twice now. You can scroll back through this and listen to it as many times as you need. I'd suggest doing that now because it's a long text, but this is feasibly the sort of level you would see at the end of your higher paper. So this is one of the most challenging questions you might get on there. Now we'll go through the answers now. So what is said about the number of people using public transport? It has increased. Now, in the text, I read out this line here. Hemos visto un gran aumento. Aumentar is to increase. Un gran aumento, un aumento, therefore, is an increase. So we have seen a big increase. So that's that one. Number one would be it has increased. Number two, which was what is said about pollution levels in the town centre. They are very high or still very high. The line here that gave this away was todavía son muy altos. Los niveles todavía son muy altos. The levels are still very high. Now, there was a distractor in here though. I said, se espera que en los próximos meses veamos una bajada en los niveles de contaminación en el centro. Now, you may have known that bajada means a decrease. So it's expected that in the coming months, we will see a decrease in the levels of pollution or pollution levels in the center. But that is a distractor. The key point there was they are still very high. Next one, what is said about unemployment levels. They've gone down, fallen, or dropped. El número de personas en paro ha disminuido de 3.000 a 2.500. The number of people, or the number of unemployed people has diminished, has dropped, has fallen from 3,000 to 2,500. Now, even if you didn't know this phrase here, ha disminuido, you could have still worked this one out because we hear de 3.000 from 3,000 a 2.500 to 2,500. Therefore, we know that the level has dropped by 500 people. Okay, so that's today's task there.